Hey, good morning. Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Hey, I am out in Troy today at Epidesk. I'm going to be meeting a client for a LinkedIn coaching session right behind me here and just kind of getting some things set up in the office, and very excited to be in the space here today. And I noticed when I walked in this morning, they've got this awesome wall, and as a marketer, I just appreciate this so much. So it says, "Welcome to Epidesk." It's got all their social media icons over here, and they list all of these outstanding upcoming events, and I was so geeked because I saw they've got my upcoming LinkedIn sessions that are going to be on here. So very exciting stuff. So this is just a marketing tip for you businesses. Once upon a time, we used to see the little labels and stickers on the door that would say that you're a member of a chamber or Better Business Bureau, but I would highly encourage you to make it easy for your customers and your visitors to tag you on social media and include your social media icons and your hashtags and whatnot. Your upcoming events, list those someplace in the lobby or on a wall like they've done here. Again, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Hopefully this tip has been helpful for you today. Have a great day. Thanks.